Sage Intacct and Odoo 2 top contenders in the cloud accounting world, but when it comes down to features, flexibility, and real business impact, which one really delivers? On one side, we've got the trusted financial management powerhouse, Sage Intacct. On the other, the versatile all-in-one suite, Odoo. Today, we'll push both platforms through real-life challenges, from accounting and automation to pricing, customization, and support, plus a few surprises. Forget the tech jargon. Let's focus on what genuinely matters for your business. We'll score each category, and by the end, you'll have a clear winner based on real results. Who takes the crown? The outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, before we get lost in the details, here's what we're comparing. Price always a big one, core features, integrations and ecosystem, globalization stuff, security and compliance, customizability, overall usability, and yeah, who these tools are really made for. We're hitting everything that really matters when picking a platform, trust me. So first up, and let's just get this out of the way, price. If you're hoping for a bargain, listen up, Sage Intacct goes pretty hard for larger companies. But honestly, it can get expensive fast. More users or modules? That price climbs. Now Odoo? This is kinda wild. The open source version is actually free. Yep, free. Of course, if you want the cool stuff, like paid modules, or you get a little carried away with customization, the costs can add up here too. But overall, Odoo is way more budget friendly, so it definitely takes this round on price. Next, let's talk features. Sage Intacct is like the specialist dream for accounting and finance. We're talking world-class financial reporting, handling multiple entities, currencies, and loads of automation. But it doesn't really venture much outside the finance world. Odoo, on the other hand, is more of an all-you-can-eat buffet, ERP, CRM, HR, the works. It's modular, super customizable, but when it comes to hardcore accounting, yeah, it's just not quite as deep as Sage Intacct. For the core accounting features, Sage Intacct takes the win. Moving on to integrations and ecosystem. This one's pretty interesting. Sage Intacct plays really well with the big finance names. Think Salesforce, major HR systems, that sort of thing. But if you're looking for integrations way outside of finance, you might run into some limits. Odoo? There's like an ocean of modules and apps. Pretty much every business function you can think of is covered, and the open source community keeps cranking out more. Downside, the quality and support of these add-ons is a little hit or miss. So on this, I'd say it's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Odoo actually started way back in 2005 in Belgium, and get this, it was called Tiny ERP. Bit of a blast from the past, right? Alright, globalization. Who's best if you're operating worldwide? Sage Intacct is a beast for finance, handles tons of currencies, multi-entity consolidation, all that jazz. It is mainly focused on the financial side though, so for some really nitty-gritty local stuff you might need a partner. Odoo's got a cool angle here. It supports tons of languages, currencies, and localizations, but sometimes you've got to rely on community additions. So again, I'd call this one a tie. Both are solid, just in their own ways. Now, security and compliance. And honestly, if you're in finance, this is probably keeping you up at night, right? Sage Intacct goes all out here. Certifications, audit trails, the whole compliance checklist. Odoo is more flexible with security, but because it can be hosted all sorts of ways, security can really depend on your setup. Plus, out of the box, it just isn't as tight on compliance. So, Sage Intacct clearly wins this round. Let's talk customization. This is where Odoo really flexes. You want to bend the system to your will? Odoo says, sure, here's the source code, go nuts. Stuff like deep custom workflows? You'll need a developer, but it's possible. Sage Intacct gives you some customization like fields and dashboards, but it's a bit more, within the lines. No surprise here, Odoo totally takes customizability. Usability. Okay, this one trips people up. Sage Intacct is super modern, focused on finance, and if you're an accountant, you'll pick it up fast. Odoo is slick with its unified interface, but as you start adding more and more modules, things can start to feel a bit overwhelming and messy. So, when it comes to a smooth, focused user experience, Sage Intacct wins. Last up, who are these for really? Sage Intacct is basically aiming at medium to large organizations with pretty complex finances. If you're running a tiny startup, it's probably overkill. Odoo though? It can start tiny and scale huge, and it works for teams that want that full business suite, not just accounting. But its accounting features aren't always as robust as a specialized tool like Sage Intacct. So this round? Honestly, it's a tie. At this point, you're probably starting to see how these two stack up across all the big categories. No surprise, their strengths are kind of opposite. Let's visualize it all so you can spot the winner at a glance. So here's my take. If you're an accounting or finance team that needs serious control, compliance, and reporting, yeah, Sage Intacct is just going to feel right. But if your organization is looking for something super flexible where you can stitch together all your business processes in one customizable suite, Odoo is the way to go. And hey, don't sleep on that open source angle if you like to tinker. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth software matchups. I'll catch you in the next one.